Next is question number 5. Ahmed sells different types of cake in his shop. The cost of each cake depends on its type and its size. Every small cake costs X dollars and every large cake costs 2x plus $1. Part first is the total cost of 3 small lemon cakes and 2 large lemon cake is $12.36. Find the cost of a small lemon cake. There are 3 lemon cakes small and each small cake costs X dollars. So it will be 3x. Plus there are 2 large lemon cakes and each large cake costs 2x plus 1. So into 2x plus 1. This is equal to the total cost was 12.36. Now this is 3x plus 4x plus 2 equals 12.36. 7x equals 12.36 minus 2 and then x equals, this is 12.36 minus 2 is 10.36. So x equals 10.36 over 7. 10.36 over 7, which is 1.48. So cost of small cake is $1.48. Part B. The cost of 18 small chocolate cakes is the same as the cost of 7 large chocolate cakes. Find the cost of a small chocolate cake. Each small cake costs X dollars. This will be 18x and this is same as the cost of 7 large chocolate cakes, equals 7 into 1 large chocolate cake costs 2x plus 1 and we have to find cost of a small chocolate cake. 18x equals 14x plus 7, then 4x equals 7 and x equals 7 over 4. Now x is equal to 7 over 4, which is 1.75. So each small chocolate cake cost $1.75. Part C. The number of small cherry cakes that can be bought for $4 is the same as the number of large cherry cakes that can be bought for $13. Find the cost of a small cherry cake. Number of small cherry cakes equal, it cost X dollars each. So 4 over x and number of large cakes equals 13 over and each cake costs 2x plus 1. Now number of cakes are same. So 4 over x equals 13 over 2x plus 1 and we have to find cost of a small cherry cake. By cross multiplication, 4 into 2x plus 1 equals 13x. Now 8x plus 4 equals 13x and then 13x minus 8x equals 4. Now this is 5x equals 4. So x is equal to 4 over 5. 4 over 5 is 0.8. Cost of a small cherry cake is $0.8. Part D. Petra spends $20 on small coffee cakes and $10 on large coffee cakes. The total number of cakes is 45. Write an equation in terms of x. Solve this equation to find the cost of a small coffee cake and show all your working. $20 on small coffee cake. 20 over each small cake costs x dollars plus $10 on large coffee cakes over it costs 2x plus $1 and number of cakes is 45. Taking its LCM, that will be x into 2x plus 1. Here 20 into 2x plus 1 plus 10x equals 45. Expanding the bracket, this will be 40x plus 20 plus 10x equals, multiplying this with 45. 45 into, now this will be 2x square plus x. This is 50x plus 20 equals 90x square plus 45x. 90x square plus 45x minus 50x minus 20 equals 0. So 90x square minus 5x minus 20 equals 0, and dividing this whole equation with 5, 90 over 5 is 18. This is 18x square minus x minus 4 equals 0. Now 18 times 4 is 72. So by factorization, 18x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 4 equals 0. Taking 9x as common, this will be 2x minus 1 plus taking 4 as common, this will be 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now 9x plus 4 into 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now either 9x plus 4 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. From this, x is minus 4 over 9, and from this, x is 1 over 2. And we have to solve this equation to find the cost of a small coffee cake. So cost will be x equals 1 over 2, the positive root, and this can be written as 0.5. So $0.5.